Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the 108th Indian Science Congress through video conferencing. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today inaugurated the Siom Bridge in Arunachal Pradesh along with 27 other infrastructure projects. Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia reviewed Air Suvidha system and RT-PCR testing facilities for international passengers at the Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi. Centre has proposed a self-regulatory mechanism, mandatory verification of players and physical Indian address for online gaming companies. India will face Sri Lanka in the first T20 encounter of the three-match series at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai today.